So here, this is a barbell bench press, and essentially this whole video here is going to show you what I do to create as much stability and tension when I'm doing a barbell bench press. Now see, I bring my foot back far enough that I am creating this tension in my legs, so that when I drive my body forward, I keep my heels down into the floor, but I can't go further because my hands are stuck to the bar. I drive them back and I pull myself down, which immediately creates an arch through my back. And as I'm doing that, I'm thinking of shoulder blades down or armpit to my back pocket as I push up and down. Now here, this is what I'm showing you in my shoulder blades. I'm thinking of driving that shoulder blade down or armpit to back pocket as I'm doing the entire movement when I'm bench pressing. So here, this is essentially doing it again. I find my comfortable grip apart. I bring my foot back as far as it allows comfortably, but ensuring that I'm creating tension. I push my heel down, I bring my body forward, but continually pushing the heel into the floor. I can't go further forward because my hands are holding onto the bar. Then I drive myself down. As I drive myself down, I think of driving my back down and then my shoulder blade towards my back pocket. I unrack the bar, and while I keep that same position. And here is once again another demonstration of me doing that. As I get into the comfortable grip width apart, I bring my foot back as far as I know I can comfortably bring it, but I want tension. So you can see I bring my foot back, my heels are fastened and driven into the ground. I bring my body forward, but I can't go forward because I drive my hands into the barbell, and then I drag myself into position. I maintain that shoulder blades into back pocket throughout the entire time. So I think the key thing when doing a bench press is understanding that our lower body influences our upper body. I put my feet strategically at a position that I know once I get into position and I drive my heels down, my hip is in extension, and this will create lower back extension, which creates upper back extension, which then allows my shoulder blade to depress or slide down better. So you see, once again, I push my body back so that my hips or my foot is really in a more backward position. And then when I drive my body down, because of where my original feet position is, when I push my heels down, my hips go back, my lower back extends, my upper back extends. I create an arch through my lower back, and this allows my shoulder blade to come down, and I keep that same shoulder blade tucked down towards the pelvis throughout the entire time. So the cue here is shoulder blades back towards back pocket, driving my heels down to the floor as I think of bringing my rib cage up towards the barbell. I maintain this position, and the only thing that is moving is my shoulder and the elbow. My shoulder blade, my back, my hips are all fixed and stationary in position. Okay? And when I lower the barbell, I am thinking of touching the highest peak on my chest, which is my sternum or my chest bone. You don't have to set up like me, like how I did it, but the concept remains the same in that we need to create as much tension through the lower back and upper back using our lower limbs by driving the heels down and having the chest up.